we combine materials together. Normally the doors, drawers and seam panels will be combined together. So we select those three objects in the change from column and select one material type in the change to column and click combine materials and OK, and it's complete. Now unless you're making any further changes to components, adding or deleting or changing quantities and so on, just go through to the toolpath link, 3D toolpath link, and that finishes quite quickly. At this point we can make changes to drilling points, add or remove drill points or cutouts and notches and so on, which is not part of this tutorial. So the next step is to export it for processing to the machine. So we click the Export DXF button and just wait while it processes. This can take anything from a few seconds to a few minutes, depending on the size of the job and also on the speed of your computer. Once it's finished, it'll say so, and you click OK and then close, and then we can exit from the program and the job is ready to process. Okay, so the next step is to open the en route software to process to the machine, and we click the icon at the top, which is the automatic toolpath icon, and click 3D kitchen, add list file, and then we browse to the directory with the file name of the job that we want to process. So to do that, we normally click this up arrow button at the top, and your jobs can be listed in alphabetic order, or if you want to see them, the newest jobs at the top of the list, just click date modified and it'll show you that it's ranking them in date order. So it's demo tutorial we're looking for, and we're looking for demo tutorial all materials, and that'll let us process all the materials in the job in one go. So we double click that, or click it once and then click open. It loads the list file in, and at that point we can just click process 3D kitchen. So we just click that and process it, and it just takes a few seconds to produce. It cycles through the various sheets of material, and then it'll shortly come up with a jobs summary. So the summary is listed here, showing the number of sheets that are in the list. We can click OK to that, and then on screen we will see sheet number 1. So the process is complete and the jobs are actually ready to produce to the machine now. The output files are all created. Up towards the top left there's these two arrow heads here. If we click the top one, it'll just cycle through the sheets, so I can click that one, it'll take us to the next sheet, and so you can quite quickly see what is going to be produced, and it's a good idea to do this at least when you're a new user, to make sure that the jobs are being processed correctly, that nothing is being missed. As you cycle through, you can see what's going to be done. So at that point you can close the program and move to the output file to send the job directly to the machine. So on your desktop folder where you start all your 3D Kitchen programs from, or even maybe directly on your desktop, you should have been given a shortcut that says CNC out, so you just double click that, and again you can look for the job in alphabetic order or in date modified order if you click date modified at the top of your screen. And we're looking for demo tutorial, or the name of the job that you've just processed, and your output CNC files are all listed in this directory ready for processing. Your label files are also ready to produce for those of you producing labels, and they have the extension label.ljd, which matches the sheet name. So the entire job is processed and ready for your machine.